What is your name?
My name is Salman Khan.
In which class do you read?
I read in standard 7.
In which school do you read?
I read in St. Ignatius High School.
Do you learn English?
Yes, I learn English.
Where do you learn English?
I learn English in Oxford.
Who advised you to come here?
My father has advised me to come in Oxford.
What did he tell?
He told me that Oxford is very good for English and you must go there.
Are you satisfied here?
Yes, I am.
Who teaches you English here?
Mr. Nuragam sir teaches me English here.
How many batches do you attend here?
I attend 2 batches here.
Which batch do you like most?
I like 4 to 5 batch most.
Had you come yesterday?
No, I hadn't come yesterday.
Why hadn't you come yesterday?
Because I went to Rajgir with my family.
Why did you go to Rajgir?
Because there my relatives live there and especially to see glass mill.
Did you enjoy there?
Yes, I enjoy a lot.